Kasi ito rin isumpay.
If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail around to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light.
Hi, March! Happy birthday! I mean, 18th birthday. Kanang, ayaw na dyan pagbuhat, alcoholic, kung sa pa nagipagtulong ni ay bali ni mo, ayaw na ginagbuhat, kaya pwede na ka mag-preso. Balik ka na rin siya kaya ito lagi po ito kayo magbuhat na sa tagbalik na ito magbuhat. By the way, count your life by smiles, not just tears. But count your year by friends, not years. Okay, happy birthday! Love you, bye!
My! Happy 18th birthday! Yeah. After this day, your universe will never be the same. And just another words of wisdom. Just so you know, here's to your another year of experience. You're not just a year older, but a year better. So, Majin, mapriso na ka. Dili na dyan ka magbayad, pabinutan niha. Ay, lisod na.
Preso man, uy?
Lisod na dyan kayo namin.
Happy birthday!
Nami-ami ka nga mapriso.
Ano mo, preso lagi? Maduwaw pa tag Mindanao!
Okay, kuhan, okay lang, tama, priso. Ganun ko yung tatanan. Right, kayo. Okay, Mai, thank you. Happy birthday, Mai, and I love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Madge! May this year be your best ever. I hope all your birthday wishes and dreams come true. I hope that for every candle on your cake, you get a wonderful surprise. Happy birthday! Happy 18th birthday, Madge! I love you. Wala may kanha kay sorry busy, hectic ang schedule. Sa kuan gud na mo may sa kanang kung ako iiwan mo sa kanang dahil sa pag-living mo na wala may kanha. I'm sorry. Pero regards to nila Papa Gino diha nila Memar og ni Maxine. Okay, sige, bye-bye.
Hey, Mai! Happy birthday! Karang, ayaw pagsunda kung di pa buhat mo. Ihay lang pa rin.
Ngayon din, unsa din ay. Patay ka ng araw.
Kuya. May this day always be a special one to remember. Love you! Happy birthday again!
Mama! Mama, chip chip, love you, boss.